everyone, welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, it looks like once again, all three major indexes are headed for a weekly gain. So as of Friday morning, the NASDAQ and the Dow were up 1.2% on the week, and the S&P 500 was up about 1.1% on the week. Friday morning, we saw a better than expected inflation report. So the inflation report that came in at an inflation rate of 3%, which was below the expected 3.1% inflation rate. So even though it is a slightly better than expected report, all futures for the stock indexes continued to rise on Friday morning. Many investors believe that this lower than expected inflation report could have the Federal Reserve continue on their set path of cutting interest rates, and we could see an interest rate cut heading into December. We are now approaching our 24th day of the government shutdown with no clear end in sight. However, the stock market has continued to rise during this time, mainly boosted by strong earnings reports. So this week in the news, we saw an earnings report from Intel that reported that their sales were up, and pre-market trading on Friday, that stock is up around 8%. Nvidia and Oracle also had a good day on Thursday, which boosted the NASDAQ as it is hovering around record highs once again. So that's what I've got for the stock market news for this week. If you're following any particular stocks or certain sectors, please leave a comment below.